You can easily insert out special character inside of Google Drawings as well. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to click on Insert right here. And once you click on Insert, you can see special character is an option. But for this, first of all, you need the text box where you can insert special character in. So I'm going to go around and click and drag a text box right here. So once I do that, I'm going to click on Insert. And over here, you can see special character is an option which you can click on. So here what you can do is there are different special characters that you can insert. Let's say, for example, if you were to click this, you can see that it gets typed in right here. You can also go around and choose different things. Let's say, for example, you want something like a math symbol right here. So you can go around and click this out right here. You can also go around and let's say, for example, you want Braille, then you can click this around and it gets typed in, as you can see right here. You can select it out from recent characters that you used, or go for categories and select out, let's say, numbers right here. And you can go around and select out fractions, as you can see right here, and you can click and type it out. If there are special characters that you're searching for, let's say, for example, if you're searching for something like a tree, then you can type in tree right here and it pops up, as you can see right here. What you can also do is you can draw around what you're searching for. Let's say, for example, you're searching for a smiley face. You can simply click and drag with your mouse right here. Click and drag this out, and then I'm going to make a smiley face. And you can see that the smiley faces that are similar things to your drawing actually pops up right here, which you can click and insert out right here. Tree, for example, so you can go around over here and draw out a tree right here. So you can see that there's similar drawings that actually pop up right here. As you can see, there's even leaf, but this is what I want, as you can see. So you can get access to the tree just like that. So that is how you can insert out special characters, and with the special characters, you can go around and work around with it as if you're working around with text right here. You can change around the colors as long as it is supported by that special character and so forth, as you can see. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.